Hey guys, it's Jay Alexander here with the unboxing video for firekicks.cn slash hotkicks.cn. I got the LeBron 14 in red, the University Brick Road, and the LV bosphore bag. So this is how your stuff comes packaged. It's nice. There's no dents on the box that I can see so far. And shout out to Lillian. She kept me updated throughout the whole time. The easiest way to get in contact with her is through Skype. I found at hotkicks.cn. The box is a little bent up. That's alright. I'm not one of those people that cares about the box that much. I have seen in other reviews that the box quality is usually pretty good though. Kicks look good. Been waiting for them for a while. I think the reason it took so long was because it took a couple days for them to actually grab the payment. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with one hand, y'all. The shoes look nice and clean. Has the specs on the bottom.